We're here in Baltimore City, Maryland today. Nice August day. Getting ready to do a roof recover. Pretty tight here. So yeah, we're going up the ladder and show you what the roof looks like now, and then we'll take another after shot after the job is completed. Right now, the homeowner has an old black roof on there. Again, in the roofing world, and any kind of colors, dark colors absorb heat, light colors reflect the heat. This one does actually have what we call a silver coat on it. Used to have a black roof like that, and we put the silver coat on there for reflectivity. But the homeowner for the roof that we're doing today is going to have a white roof when we get finished with everything for great 100% reflectivity. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. So we'll be back to show you how she's going to turn out there. Okay, we're back again. Just checking on the guys, see where we're at on the project. We're pretty much coming down the home stretch. We started this job a little bit earlier this morning where we're doing the roof recover. Homeowner's gonna feel a big difference in their home's comfort level with this reflectivity. Again, white colors reflect the sunlight and dark colors absorb the sunlight. This homeowner's second floor is very hot right now. As you can see over here, this is super white here. The difference in these temperatures is almost 40 to 50 degrees in the temperature and whatnot. So yeah, definitely a good investment that the homeowner's making. Okay, we're here at the end of the job here. Our foreman is doing the last minute touch here. Get another look at it here. Has some foot marks on it, but we'll clean this off after everything's said and done. So yeah, this is the nice white roof here. Great reflectivity. Energy Star rated. This comes with a 20-year material warranty from the manufacturer, Elevate, and then we give a 10-year workmanship warranty. We also did a chimney crown coating here. Still got to brush this off. It's here, but be able to get it off there. Take a blower there. So yeah, this is the end of it.